hairstyle number 1 is actually really easy. Most of these will be pretty easy. The last two are a bit more complicated, but basically I just parted my hair in the middle and I brushed it out. My hair was a little bit dirty, but it actually helped make these looks look a bit more sleek. Then I just tucked my hair behind my ear, and I always leave out a little bit of hair in front of my ears because I don't like my ears. And then I use these really affordable clips that I got from AliExpress. They're so cute, and I use them in pretty much all these looks. They just make your hair and just the whole look more youthful, and it just reminds me of the 90s, and I've been obsessed with the 90s lately, so using these clips have just been my favorite thing ever. And they make a simple hairstyle look super cute. So for look number 2, I basically did almost the same thing, but in a side part. So I just parted my hair into a side part, left a little bit of hair in front of my ear. And then I put some clips on the part that's like behind my ears. I don't know what to call that, but yeah, you can see for yourself what I'm doing. And this just makes a side part look just a little bit different, and you can put a lot of different color clips in there, whatever fits your outfit. I don't know. For look number 3, I'm putting half of my hair up. Now, at first I didn't want to add this in, but I guess I could just put it in there. This isn't my favorite look, but it's definitely something that I do often when I'm just at home and I want my hair to be out of my face. I personally don't think it looks that great on my hair and like with my face or whatever, but as I said, it's easy, and I just use a scrunchie because it looks a bit cuter than just having this tiny bun on your head. And usually I put my hair behind my ears. I don't know why. I think it looks a bit better, but still, it's just, I don't know. I feel like this looks weird on me. For look number 4, I'm going to be using my ZALA hair extensions. These extensions actually come with their own shampoo and conditioner and treatment, and also with a brush. This video is actually sponsored by ZALA, so just want to thank you guys for sponsoring this video. ZALA is an international brand with warehouses in Australia, USA, and soon to be the UK. They offer an easy color match service to match their customers to their perfect shade, and they hooked me up with a promo code which will give you $10 off your order and a free gift. So for the first look, I'm actually using their clip-on ponytail. So I just put my hair in a low ponytail, or actually in a low bun, and then I just clipped on the ponytail. It took a couple of times for me to really understand how to clip this ponytail on, but as soon as I did, I was literally obsessed. I really love this hairstyle. It's probably my favorite out of all of them. Yeah, so what I do really love about this clip-on ponytail and about the extensions as well that you can see in the next hairstyle is that they are thick from literally root to tip. So you don't have like the thin feathered out ends, like it's just all like super thick, which I think just looks so beautiful. And I don't know, like you don't see that a lot in hair extension companies and just hair extensions in general. So yeah, I clipped on the ponytail. I wrapped around the piece of hair that basically like, it's like it has like a loose piece of hair that you can wrap around it to make it look more natural. And then of course I went ahead and put some more clips in my hair because like that's just, I guess, my look now. I don't know, I just think it made the ponytail look a little bit cuter and just not as basic. So for the last hairstyle, I obviously wanted to also clip in the regular extensions. So I put about half of my hair, or like 1/3 of my hair, up and out of the way. And I actually clipped these extensions in a little bit different. And unfortunately, I don't have all the footage because while I was clipping them in, my camera stopped recording and I didn't realize. But I clipped them in from top to bottom. And after the first row, I did it like upside down. I didn't clip them in upside down, but my head was upside down. I don't really know how to explain it. I hope you can kind of see from the clips that you'll see in a little bit, but I did this because I mostly really needed to focus on blending the extensions with my hair from like at the top. Does that make sense? I don't know. I just like the bottom of my hair is really short, so you can barely even see it. But the top obviously is longer. And I still had a little bit of a hard time blending them. I think that if my hair grows just a tiny bit longer, it'll be easier to blend my hair with extensions. But I definitely love these extensions because, as I said, they're really thick from root to tip. And that's what my natural hair is like as well. So that does really help a lot with making the extensions blend. But I think that if my hair was a little bit longer, it would be a bit easier to make it look like seamlessly blended. But I still really liked how this looked. So for the top section, I basically grabbed all of this hair together and put it into a high ponytail, and then I made that ponytail into a little bun, and I tried to make it as small as possible and also as tight as possible. And then I went in with a clip-on ponytail because I really want to do like a half up, half down look. And I just wrapped the ponytail around the bun that I made on top of my head. Basically the same thing as I did with the low ponytail. And then again, I wrapped a piece of hair around the ponytail to make it look more natural and to pretty much hide the fact that it's fake. Now I'm going in with my straightener to try and blend my hair. You can definitely see like my hair sticking out a little bit, and I really think that it's just the length of my hair right now, and because it's such a blunt cut, I think that if it grows a little bit longer, I'll be able to blend this a little bit better. But I still think I did a pretty good job. It's actually really hard blending short hair with extensions. This is the finished look for look number 5, and I again went in with some clips because I was just being extra. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.